Listen, that's chaotic as hell. But something about just throwing everything on the ground is low-key kind of therapeutic.
Rolls Royce pull up, black boy hop out. Shout out to my mother and my father didn't pull out.
I'm Bree. I'm happy that you're here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yeah, let's start getting my life together.
Yeah, and they didn't want him to kick the guard's butt either. Washington understandably ordered a mental health evaluation, or Maurice, and shared his feelings about the justice system, which he hated. He said he felt that he was being, quote, maliciously persecuted because I'm black and they believe the police. Get out of town, Negro. You did everything they said you did and more, and you're still doing it.
Let's get into the madness that is this BS, because yeah, you know, life be lifing. If your dishes don't ever look like this, good for you, but bro, you lying. You mean to tell me you ain't never just had a bad day? Whatever. Anyway,
I always feel like I'm running out of time.
sweating so bad. Don't get me wrong, the stove needed that deep clean and I still gotta do the microwave, but I just need a break because I need some food. I'm trying to figure out what I want. I have one more bagel left, so I was low-key thinking like bagel, cream cheese, some of the salmon I made the other night, and then cut up some strawberries maybe.
I'd never come here if I'd known that you were here. I must admit though that it's nice to see you, dear. I'd never come here if I'd known that you were here. I must admit though that it's nice to see you, dear. I'd never come here if I'd known
But that's because this has turned into a whole day ordeal because it's just a lot to clean and it's just me.
Huh? You thought when you talk to me nice. It's God always, any tribe.
I cannot be a child. As long as I'm still raising God, living in oppression. With the king and I stay metal. They finna see how I change.
Hey yo, hold up, I ain't with that. Devil try to get his lick. Pull up, spin back. Pull up, spin, pull up, bow, spin back, bow. He's a chain breaker, chain breaker.
As you see, we got big claws.
Christ moving where it's free. Walking with Christ moving where it's preaching about Jesus before fame. Give it to the city. I got the light street. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shine, come get it. I was Uncle Phil. I'm just trying to give him the real slang. Look, I try to run from where he had me. I was living. I been playing rough. Demons run up and they argue, man. You see that I'm building with you.
Most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive.
Okay, so I feel like I said earlier that I needed to organize my bathroom closet a bit because yeah, right now it's just not making any type of sense. Also, my hair is different because I could only look that crusty but for so long. I just I sure did just knock a bunch of stuff on the ground. I have all these native soaps and I don't need them, nor do I want them. I don't use this and I don't know anyone who does, so it's giving trash. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just this one, this one. Let's see. I don't like this anymore because I don't want to waste space. But I need to clear this really wild because just throwing everything on the ground, crazy. Listen, that's chaotic as hell. But something about just throwing everything on the ground is low-key kind of therapeutic. Okay, this is gonna be quick because yeah, she's looking crazy, but downstairs looks so much better. I'm definitely so proud of myself because I stuck it out and I finished, and now we are officially on upstairs. And let me just, if y'all remember last night, I was in the bathroom. We redid some things. The closet, not gonna lie, I love the way this is set up so much more. It doesn't feel as cluttered. I actually got rid of some stuff. It just feels better. Stop it. You just cannot tell me that this outfit is not so freaking cute. I love it. I'm not gonna do my grocery shopping per se, but I am gonna get some stuff I need when we go to Target. And I definitely need some more almond milk because I don't know what it is, but I've been fucking some cereal up. I don't know, the cereal has just been really doing it for me, like it's been eating. I'll catch y'all when we get to where we're going. you know, when I be saying that whatever it is that I'm doing is realistic, I just want y'all to understand. Like, it's really giving realistic because yes, I was doing a reset, a whole house refresh. Yes, I was. I cooked. There's dishes in the sink again already. It's been a day. And when it comes down to the laundry, the clothes, no. It's giving no, I did not do that. I did not get accomplished. But listen, I very much contemplated not finishing the video. But that's not fair to y'all or to me. Because like, girl, finish. I'm not gonna do my laundry. Like, I'm gonna do it, but I'm not recording it. I'm just not. I don't even like doing it. I'm so grateful to God that I have clothes, and I really do try to change my mindset to not being like, dang, I have to do this, but I get to do this. But baby, listen though, laundry is just a lot, you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna end it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me while I reset for the month. Honestly, I feel so good about what I did though. My house is so much cleaner. It smells better in here. The air in here is fresher. Like, I mean, it's just like a whole new house. Even my boyfriend came in and was like, it's literally like you have a new house. And I'm like, thank you. That was the goal. I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me because I watch other like girls do like monthly retests and stuff. I be so amazed with how much they can get done in like a day, because I'm just like, damn, I'm on day 3 and I'm still not even done. Like, is it me? Can somebody please, like, if you are like me and it take you a couple days to like reset or whatever, and just like really fully like get your space clean and stuff, can you please comment down below and let me know? Because I'm out here feeling like it's just me, like, damn, do I just really clean that slow? I don't know. But anyways, love you guys lots like tater tots. See you guys in the next one. Bye.